So we just finished watching a mini lesson on our iPads, right? And as you were watching the lesson, you did a couple practice problems. Now, I came around and checked those practice problems, and I gave you either a square, a triangle, or a circle on your paper. Give me a thumbs up if you remember me doing that. Awesome. All right, so depending on what you got on your paper, Hayden, that will kind of tell you what you're going to be working on today. So if you got a square on your paper, you're going to walk over to the counter over there and see where the square picture is. You're going to grab that sheet over there. That should be a good challenge. It works with some bigger numbers. It kind of extends what we've already been doing. All right? If you got a triangle on your sheet, that means you're definitely on the right track, and it looks like you're doing some good work. I just want you to get a little more practice. All right? So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your math book and take a look at page 58 and work through page 58 with a partner. All right? If you got a circle on your paper, it means you're doing some really good work, but I want you to get a little more practice with me. You're going to grab your math book and you're going to meet me at the back, in the back corner of the room by the TV. Now, when you're done with these things, notice at the bottom we have square, triangle, and circle. So these are activities I want all of you to be able to complete, and we're going to complete them in this order. So first you're going to do your math boxes on page 59. Some of you already finished those after the video. If you already finished those, you move to the next thing. If you're not quite done with those, you'll do that first. When you're done with that, we're going to cut out our fact triangles. Scissors are in the back of the room if you don't have scissors. The fact triangles are in the back of your math book. Remember, we cut out sheets 1, 2, and 3 already. You're going to do 4 and 5 today. Once you're done with that, you can find a partner to play subtraction topic, to work on your subtraction facts. That partner can be anyone from the room. All right? Quick reminder, when I'm with a small group, you ask 3 before me, right? When you're done with your work, come over, give me a quick look at your book without interrupting, and I'll give you a thumbs up. Are there any questions before we go? William. Right, you hold up, because the work's in your book, right?
Yeah.
Or your work, you're saying if you have the sheet, yeah, whatever you're working on, that's what you'll show me. All right, Carson? All right. Catherine?
What if we need help ripping out the pages?
Ask a friend. I think you guys can get through it. It doesn't have to be ripped perfectly, but I think you guys can make it happen. All right? Awesome. Any other questions? All right. Everyone knows where they're going?
Yeah.
All right. Remember, you can recycle that paper. Go ahead and get started. All right. Remember, circles are back here with me. Ooh, great transition. Aiden, I'm curious to see who you're going to work with, bud.
I don't know.
Well, let's figure that out.
Wait, hold on here. So I can get you a pencil.
Are we out of sheets? Wow, you guys must have just crushed that mini lesson. Here you go. You can find somebody to work with. Is there anyone who doesn't have a partner? I'm going to have Jordan and Hayden. You guys can work together. All right? All right. Are we all set, guys? on page 58.
It's not made for 2 people, it's made for grown-ups. Really? No, you stole my pencil. That's right.
Alright. Hey guys.
It's my pencil.
So,
I hate it.
we're using our doubles, right, in order to help us solve these math facts. But before we do that, I want to kind of start out with a reminder about fact families. Okay? We're not even on a page yet.
I know it.
Okay? So, when you are working with the facts family, with an addition or subtraction fact,
39.
it's important for us to remember how these facts work together. So in a typical fact, let's say 2 plus 3.
Okay.
Okay?
No,
We
yesterday
have
I
a 2,
finished
a 3, and a 5 in
this
this
one.
fact family, don't we?
56.
Now, what problems can we create from this fact family? There's addition and subtraction problems that we can make from this fact family using only these 3 numbers. What's an addition fact we could create using these 3 numbers? 2 plus 3 equals 5. That's one addition fact we can create. What's another addition fact we could create with these numbers? Only these numbers. 3 plus 2 equals 5? Alright. Now, is there a subtraction fact we could use? Remember, we're using these 3 numbers only. So, even though 6 plus 1 equals 5, or 6 and 1 in our triangle, a 0 in our triangle? So what subtraction facts can we use? Remember, it's addition or subtraction, right? What subtraction facts using those 3 numbers can we come up with, Michaela?
I'm gonna write 4 right there.
5 minus 2 equals 3. We used our 5, we used our 2, and we used our 3. Is there another subtraction fact we could come up with, Anthony? We have 5 minus 2 equals 3. Not sure? Michaela, what do you think?
5 plus 4 equals 9.
5 minus 3 equals 2. Awesome. So the important thing that I want you guys to realize when we're moving forward today is we are using what we know about fact families to help us solve subtraction problems. So we're using what we know about doubles addition facts to help us solve a subtraction problem. Now let's take a look at one more fact family before we get started, okay? Now, if I have 9, 9, and 18, all right? What addition fact can we come up with that fact family? To make 18, using those numbers. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Now when we have 2 numbers and we add them and they're the same, what do we call that? What type of fact is that? When we add the same number twice. What was that? A doubles fact, yeah? So that's a doubles fact. Now, using that doubles fact, what subtraction problem could we come up with? Grady?
What is it?
18 minus 9 equals 9. Very good. Now let's take a look in our book at page 58. Now, the first problem on page 58 says 4 plus 4, right? And it says solve the doubles fact. Then use it to help you solve the 2 subtraction facts. So what's the answer to that doubles addition fact? Think about 4 plus 4. 8.
4.
Then how can we use 4 plus 4 equals 8 to help us solve 8 take away 4 or 8 minus 4? So what are the 3 numbers in this fact family?
7 plus 6 equals 13. I don't get it.
Did you ask 3 before me? Oh, you're showing me. Thank you.
Where do we put this?
So we have 4 and 4 and 8. What are we missing in this one then? 8 minus 4. What's the other facts in that fact family?
4.